Imagine standing on the edge of a vast ocean, the waves crashing against the shore, and the salty breeze filling your lungs. Now, picture yourself standing before the creator of that ocean, ready to embark on a journey of intimacy and transformation through prayer. Welcome to Shekinah Seeker's Haven. Today we explore the transformative power of prayer in our journey of intimacy with God. Discover 6 steps to this adventure. Grab your favorite beverage, settle in, and let's embark on this soul-stirring journey together. Stick around until the end of the video to learn 6 practical ways to incorporate these aspects into your daily life. The first stop is our relationship with God. As we explore the first aspect, let's dive deeper into how prayer strengthens our relationship with God. Have you ever felt the weight of the world pressing down on your shoulders, longing for someone to turn to in your darkest hour? That's the beauty of prayer. It's our direct line of communication with the one who holds the universe in his hands. From the depths of despair to the heights of joy, prayer invites us to share our deepest desires, fears, and hopes with our Heavenly Father. As we pour out our hearts before Him, we discover a love that knows no bounds and a presence that never leaves our side. Moving forward, let's uncover how prayer fortifies our spiritual strength, empowering us to face life's challenges with unwavering faith. The second quest, spiritual strength. Life's journey is filled with twists and turns, challenges, and triumphs. But in the midst of it all, prayer becomes our anchor in the storm. It's like stepping into a fortress of strength, where the walls are built not of stone, but of faith. Through prayer, we tap into a reservoir of divine power that sustains us through every trial and tribulation. It's in those moments of weakness that we discover the strength of our Heavenly Father, lifting us up on wings like eagles and carrying us through the fiercest storms. Now, let's delve deeper into the profound connection between intimacy and transformation. As we journey into this exploration, we'll uncover how prayer serves as the molding tool, shaping us into the beautiful likeness of Christ. Our third expedition, intimacy and transformation. Imagine yourself sitting in a quiet room. The only sound is the gentle rhythm of your breath and the whisper of the wind outside. In that sacred space, prayer becomes more than just words. It's a communion of hearts between you and your Creator. It's in those quiet moments of surrender that we experience the transformative power of His love, shaping us into the image of Christ. As we open ourselves up to His presence, we are changed from the inside out, becoming vessels of His grace and agents of His kingdom in a broken and hurting world. As we continue our journey, let's examine how prayer empowers us to fulfill God's purposes and become agents of His kingdom. The fourth odyssey, fulfilling God's purposes. As we journey deeper into the heart of prayer, we discover its true purpose, not just to seek blessings for ourselves, but to partner with God in His redemptive work in the world. Prayer is our invitation to join Him in His kingdom-building mission, to see His will be done on earth as it is in heaven. From the smallest acts of kindness to the greatest miracles, prayer empowers us to be agents of His love and instruments of His peace in a world that longs for healing and restoration. As we press forward in our exploration of prayer, we look into the crucial theme of guidance and direction, as we entrust our plans to the wisdom of God's perfect will. Our fifth pursuit, guidance and direction. In a world filled with noise and distractions, prayer becomes our compass, guiding us along the path of God's will. It's through prayer that we seek His wisdom and discernment, trusting Him to lead us in the direction we should go. Whether we're facing major life decisions or simply navigating the complexities of everyday life, prayer offers us a lifeline to the one who knows the beginning to the end. As we surrender our plans and desires to Him, He faithfully directs our steps and orders our paths according to His perfect will. As we maneuver through the difficulties of life guided by prayer, let's explore another transformative aspect, healing and restoration. The sixth mission, healing and restoration. In the brokenness of our humanity, prayer becomes our lifeline to healing and restoration. It's through prayer that we bring our hurts, pains, and brokenness before the great physician, trusting Him to bring wholeness and healing to every area of our lives. Whether it's physical ailments, emotional scars, or spiritual wounds, prayer has the power to bring about miraculous transformation. As we lay our burdens at the feet of Jesus, He invites us to exchange our ashes for beauty, our mourning for joy, and our despair for hope. Question of the day: how has prayer transformed your understanding of intimacy with God? Please share your thoughts in the comments below, and let's continue this conversation together. Having covered 6 areas where prayer transforms, let's now look into practical ways to deepen our relationship with God and strengthen our faith daily. These practices not only enhance our spiritual journey but also foster profound intimacy with God and transformative experiences. Practical tip number 1: our relationship with God. Set aside dedicated time each day for prayer and Bible reading. Start with just a few minutes and gradually increase as it becomes a habit. Use this time to talk to God, share your thoughts, concerns, and gratitude with Him, and listen for His voice through His Word. Cultivating a consistent prayer and Bible reading habit fosters a deeper relationship with God, allowing you to experience His presence and love in your daily life. Practical tip number 2: spiritual strength. Surround yourself with a community of believers who can support and encourage you in your faith journey. Attend church regularly, join a small group, or connect with like-minded individuals online. Share your struggles and victories with one another. Pray together, and hold each other accountable. Building spiritual strength through community reinforces the importance of fellowship and accountability in our walk with God, empowering us to overcome challenges and grow stronger together. Practical tip number 3: for intimacy and transformation. Practice gratitude and mindfulness in your daily life. Take time to reflect on God's goodness and faithfulness, even in the midst of trials. Keep a gratitude journal or simply pause throughout the day to thank God for His blessings and provision. Cultivating gratitude and mindfulness fosters intimacy with God, allowing us to recognize His presence and work in our lives. As we become more attuned to His voice, we open ourselves up to transformation and renewal by His Spirit. Practical tip number 4: fulfilling God's purposes. Seek out opportunities to serve others and share the love of Christ in your community. Volunteer at a local charity or church outreach program. Mentor someone in need or simply lend a helping hand to a neighbor or friend. Actively participating in God's redemptive work in the world reinforces our sense of purpose and calling as believers. By extending God's love and compassion to those around us, we become vessels of His grace and agents of His kingdom. Practical tip number 5: guidance and direction. Practice discernment by seeking wise counsel from trusted mentors or spiritual leaders when facing major decisions. Take time to pray and listen for God's guidance, paying attention to any promptings or peace in your spirit. Seeking God's guidance and direction in decision-making reinforces our reliance on Him as our ultimate source of wisdom and direction. As we surrender our plans to His will, He faithfully directs our steps and leads us along the path He has prepared for us. Practical tip number 6: healing and restoration. Prioritize self-care and emotional healing by engaging in activities that bring you joy and peace. Practice forgiveness, both towards yourself and others, and seek professional help if needed to address any unresolved emotional wounds. Pursuing emotional healing and restoration aligns with God's desire for wholeness and healing in our lives. By taking steps to care for our mental, emotional, and spiritual well-being, we open ourselves up to experiencing God's transformative power and grace. Incorporating these practical tips into your Christian journey, you are equipped with actionable steps to deepen your relationship with God, strengthen your faith, and experience His transformative power in your everyday life. Enjoy your journey to building intimacy with God. Be inspired to deepen your prayer life and experience the transformative power of intimacy with God through prayer. Remember, prayer is not just a religious ritual. It's a sacred invitation into the presence of our Heavenly Father, where we discover His love, His strength, and His purposes for our lives. Continue to press in, to seek His face, and to walk in the fullness of His grace. At Shekinah Seekers Haven,